So it's just after 6 o'clock, Little Granston. We're off to Hokey Smokey. So we did this last year on exactly the same day. It's the 16th of June 2023. We did this on the 16th of June 2022. Not all of us made it out last year. So if you want to see that video from last year, have a look at my history. It's called In a Tight Spot. Here goes Kieran. Nice, here he goes. And the Dudek solo. The Dudek Universal, tried and trusted. He's on top. There goes Lee. Go on, Lee. Off he goes. Let's wait for Gary. Here goes Gary. In this video, 11 of us fly for a barbecue where there are some dodgy landings in rough air, and one of us doesn't quite make it back. We are flying to Hokey Smokey 2023. Epicness. It's about 20 past 6 in the evening and some of us have taken off, so we're all going to hang around the airfield until everyone has taken off, and then once that has happened we'll all go together as a group over to an amazingly delicious barbecue place called Hokey Smokey. So it looks like there's a setback already. Looks like someone has failed a launch and Lee has landed to see if they're okay. Here goes Eric. Looks like Danny's not going. Dickie's there. So I quickly try and lose some altitude to see what's going on. They're okay. Off to Hokey Smokey. I think there might be 8 of us this time. So what a laugh. Absolutely brilliant. This is what I love about paramotoring. We're flying to a restaurant where we're going to have smoked barbecue, and 8 of us are going to fly in, have a barbecue, have a drink, have a great time, and then hopefully some of us will make it back. It would be really great if all of us could make it back. Last time 6 of us flew there and 4 came back. I think this time we've got 8. Now we have stronger winds today, which makes it easier to launch, so hopefully things are in our favour. We'll wait and see. Just love it, absolutely love it. It's about a 10-mile flight, so not that far. 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Off to Hokey Smokey, low level. Here comes Lee for his landing. Which way is he going to go? So wind is 061. It's Ed has just popped out of nowhere. Christ. Is he going to cut me up? You bastard. He is. He's cutting me up. Ed. This is going on the video, mate. Ed's cutting me up. Rob's... Oh no, he's like... what a gentleman. He's peeled away. Though I'm a bit close for Rob. Eric is looking high. Jesus. My engine fails, pull a hard left.
Danger. Aircraft ahead. 12 o'clock. Close. Same level. Passing right to left.
Nice. Almost on the wing. Gary's wing. Here comes Rob. Oh, he's got more scabs. Oh no.
Hey! Nicely done. Nicely done. Oh, saved it, saved it. Nicely done, Prince.
Well done.
Right.
Shoot.
It's good.
Right,
Good.
how was the trip, all right? Bumpy on the last bit.
The last 20 feet when you drop beneath the trees.
I was looking at that power line over there, thinking, ooh, look at this. Yeah. This is why I wear these, mate.
You all
You
created.
did learn from last time.
You all created rotor for me.
Look at this. This is why we don't wear shorts.
Nothing to see there.
Hey, GoPro's on, everyone.
You're too much of a troublemaker. Go.
Brisket and pulled pork. Look at that.
Yeah, easy.
Nice.
Oh,
Nicely
lovely.
done.
Oh, you're showing off now. This is how you.
Oh, yeah!
Well done, Dickie.
Well done.
Sorry, darling.
I forgot to bring my glasses. I've got my prescription sunglasses, so I'm going to be one of the first to go back because I'm slightly worried about not being able to see to land. Coming up nice. Well, just missed those power lines. He's off. Nice. Well done, mate. So what a fantastic evening. Had such a great time. As you can see from the GoPro, the cameras are all over the place. There's lots of gusts coming through. The wind is really strong. Quite light on the ground at ground level, but at about 50 feet up it's pretty strong. So I'm going to hang around and watch everyone's takeoffs and then head back to Little Granston. Fully out, Dudek Universal. I forget how massive the trim range is on this wing. Incredible. So, on my way back, Kieran took off first, followed by me. Fully trimmed out on the Dudek Universal, doing 32 miles an hour and doing 16 fully trimmed in. Big trim range. Temperature 20 degrees C. Time is 10 past 8. So just threading the needle here past the gliding club and the villages to the right. I don't want to fly over those. So Rob as an engineer. It does. Well, went for the shortcut and it worked. Bit of a run. In paramotoring, you really should land in clean air. We have an easterly wind and I opted to land into rotor, which is quite risky, but managed to stay on my feet, and everyone else is just feeling the air as they come in. Rob's gone down. Great Granston, there's a park, a little park. Is it a cricket pitch or a football pitch or something?
I've just driven past it. Oh well.
So it turns out Rob had quite a severe engine problem with his crankcase. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, helps other people find the channel, and hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. And if you want to see last year's trip, have a look at this video.